What up, y'all? It's Mel and Keisha back with another Eating Chat. I am Mel.
I'm Keisha.
And together we'll walk in a fat woman's shoes.
Yes,
how y'all doing out there tonight? What's up, MK Saints, visitors, and pass-throughs? That's how I should have said you yesterday, huh?
Yes.
Anyway, welcome. Tonight's Eating Chat, I have nachos.
I have nachos too, but ours are just a little different. Hers is regular tortillas. Mine is pork rinds.
You got shrimp on yours too.
Well, yeah, mine is like seafood, nachos with ground beef. Yeah.
I don't know if y'all catch that.
Let me try to show y'all mine. You know what? Do that close thing.
Let's see who is gonna set on. I'm not gonna move. Pick up your plate. You want your plate in it? Let's see. Oh, it picked me.
This is what it looks like.
If you can see that. Like, it ain't focusing on the plate.
It ain't gonna focus. But, don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna have a little snippet of it on the Keish TV. And for my Instagram people, I'll have it on Instagram. So, I don't know if y'all can see it.
Nah.
But, let me see something. It's like over.
Oh, sorry.
Check that volume here.
See, I
but then
told
again,
you.
no, the volume is already up because I wasn't on Instagram.
All right, then.
And we're
drinking on H2O.
In the coldest water bottle, a.k.a. Big Gert. Long time no see, Big Gert. But anyway, y'all, how to get a Big Gert or a Big Swole will be in the description box below. Because guess what? Y'all already know. They will save you in what?
A crisis.
Yes, they will. Yes, they will.
Oh.
Why you keep doing that?
I don't know, tripping.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm waiting on you.
God is good, God is great. Thank you for the meal we're about to receive. Bless your holy name, bless the prayers of the meal. Amen.
Amen. So,
what's going on with you guys tonight?
That homemade guac, that homemade pico, the sour cream.
Let us know what's going on with you guys tonight. Let us know what y'all eating, and if y'all eating with us. Also, let us know what's going on in y'all neck of the woods. How's your weather treating you, and what y'all did today. You know, this is my first cheat day, Lord. Oh, did y'all hear that crunch? Oh, I heard the crunch. I heard the crunch.
That's because it's not sitting up under that stuff. That stuff under there, you're going to be mad.
Nah, I think I'm going to still have a crunch. I should have got a fork.
Maybe you should have. Somebody over there crunching.
I'm going to put a shrimp on it. Y'all want some? That shrimp was bigger than this.
Everything's jumping off my chip. I'm trying to make the chip. Like, see, they got the cheese, the sour cream, the guac, the pico. Only thing is missing is a piece of meat right there. Now, don't be laughing when I eat this jalapeno. Because this came in the jar that say hot. You know, sometimes you can get the mild ones. They didn't have none of them at the store today.
Right. There you go. I'm trying to take a picture, y'all. I'm sorry. I started eating out of it. I had names. Sorry about that.
You know, I keep making that mango salsa. It's just not for me. Every time I make it, Curtis end up eating it.
Man, I was listening to Let's Go Crazy Prince, and
No,
it was a cover band.
no, you were not listening to Let's Go
Well, I was
Crazy
listening
Prince.
to the cover band.
You was listening to crap.
Oh my God. He said, I'm not a woman. I'm not a man. I'm like, oh no, I mean, man, I wish I would have never turned it on now. I'm so serious. I just...
But don't you say that on that song?
Mm-hmm.
Well,
That's the way Prince think it. I know when you're doing cover songs, you do it your way. But that was wrong.
I don't know. I went to go run me down a lawnmower. I'm not trying to spend $200 on a lawnmower, boo. My lawnmower man wasn't open, which is kind of understandable because it is cold. And he is an old man. But, his assistant didn't have the shop open today either. I'm gonna go run over there one more time tomorrow. If he ain't all there, I'm going to a pawn shop. I hope I can find a reasonable one. Like our first lawnmower we had when we moved to Dallas. We got it from a pawn shop for $40. You remember that? Mm-hmm. We had it a while till somebody, I ain't gonna say their name, ran it up across the dog chain. That chain tore that lawnmower up like a Coke can. Boy, I was mad.
Tore it up like I'm tearing these nachos up.
And the thing about my dog chain, oh, I know, lightweight chain, boy, one of them heavy ones. Like, when that blade caught that chain, it swung it around.
I hope y'all like the hat I'm rocking tonight. I put this hat on. This is my get her done hat. Cause that's what I'm trying to do with these nachos. I'm trying to get her done. I love Larry the Cable Guy.
What's your favorite movie by him?
Witness Protection.
You don't like that Health Inspector?
Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that's it. That Health Inspector is something else. Lord.
Yes, he is. Yeah, that's my favorite one by him. But Witness Protection, okay. But I like the Health Inspector better. He kept calling the old girl guy. You're a cute little dude.
She's like, a woman.
Right, yeah, sure.
I'm gonna get into something. Y'all answer in the comments down below. How do you feel about workplace harassment? Like managers.
I wouldn't call that harassment. What he doing is childish.
Yeah, that's okay. Well, workplace bullying. You know, managers messing with transsexuals.
And it don't even have to be a transsexual. From what I'm hearing, he messed with everybody.
Yeah, but everybody don't quit.
They didn't quit, they just moved to another job.
But even so, they didn't.
This person did not move on their own accord. They moved because they felt, the management felt, before we get a lawsuit, let's put them at another location.
Yeah, and the only reason they felt like that was because of the other manager.
But still in all, they didn't quit.
Even so, how do y'all feel about workplace bullying? And then, not by the peers, by the managers. Me? It's just wrong.
Oh my goodness.
I'm the type of person.
You know why this is so wrong?
First time you to play with me like that, I close my door. I snack. I feel like this. You know, you bullying. But I feel like this. Whatever a transsexual person identify themselves as, you should respect them as that. And that's my opinion. To each his own. Everybody may not feel that way. But that's how I feel. If you are a woman, if you want to be classified as a man, all right, bro. Sup, little daddy. All right, dog. You a man, want to be classified as a woman? All right, sis. All right, shit. Go ahead, honey. You know, straight up. That simple. I'm going to classify you as what you classify. I mean, I'm going to respect you as what you classify yourself as.
How can you say that when an application make you use the name on your birth certificate?
Now, that's wrong. They should have passed a law for that.
You saying that, but they can also go legally change their name. So, 6 one way, half a dozen another.
Yeah. But changing your name is hard, isn't it?
No, not really. But you have to have the means as well, though.
Yeah. You're right. Them ones that do. 5 years of them. It don't even look like I put a dent in it.
No. Do people still put booming sound in their calls? I don't, you know.
Probably.
Yeah, but you don't hear too many of them. Like, come on, in New Orleans.
Anyway.
Look like every other person has sound in these stuff.
You in New Orleans?
No, but you know your cousin, every call he get, he put a box in it. He put an amp in it. The last 3-4 calls he had, he ain't been doing that.
He's getting older. He can't be putting boxes in there and he having on the turn.
What?
He having on the turn.
But he normally, he could bring it somewhere though.
No, what I'm saying is, where the turn will be at. Where is it in the vehicle?
But the turn don't sit in the trunk.
No, you talking about in the trunk. But, who on right there turning in the, with all that noise?
He didn't care about all that. my box right now. I want to put in my minivan. But I don't have no locks on my van like that, no alone. It's just I got old school locks. I'm not trying to do that right now. Then tell you the truth. If they come in to steal it, they ain't gonna take their time taking it out anyway. But then I don't want no broke glass. Cause you trying to get my, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I told you I didn't have to put no salt in none of this.
I brought that box for my Crown Vic. Never used it. We only used it for the house parties. Yes, amping all. To a stereo. Damn, we ghetto. I don't know. I wanted these nachos.
Yeah, they're good, but I'm getting full. I'm not sure to use that small plate. This is my first time having a cheat, thinking I was going to do it. Can't do it. Can't do it.
I wanted this, but now that I got it, I don't know.
Oh, well. I'm done.
You know.
I'm done.
He come here again, I'm not asking that.
I hope my other thing don't come out on me, because see, that's why I hadn't been using big dirt like that, because this thing here is whistling. I got to get another, another top. I have got to say, my girl saves me every time. And she saved me. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. The most righteous water. Excuse me. I'm done. I don't know about Mel, but I know I'm done. I still got it. I know y'all can't see it, but it is a lot. Still on the street.
That's why I don't like using the white plates.
You want to use the white plate?
Yeah, for us though, we can see it good, and it pops. But for when the light
We should
the
use
cameras,
the red plates or the
yeah,
blue or something like that.
man.
I'm full as a tick on the hound. Now I don't know how many calories there was, but I know this is my only meal today because I don't want nothing else. I don't know. I might put this up and go back to it because I don't care if my pork rinds soggy or not. I have some more pork rinds I could just, put on you know, and help along the way. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, cause I mean, I meal prep, but I'm not really a leftover person.
Right.
And stuff, and meal prepping to me is like leftovers. You know what I'm saying? If I ate it once, I don't really want to eat it again. But that's the only way to not fail on this journey is if you meal prep. Because if you don't meal prep, you are doomed. You are doomed to fail if you do not meal prep. You know, I am not a doctor, none of that. I'm just telling y'all what's working for me. This is working for me. But, because the meal prep, like I said, with meal prepping,
you know what though?
It helps. Because if I ain't meal prep, man, I would be crazy.
You know how my meal prep helped me do? Instead of making it one particular dish, like last night when I did mine, it was that red sauce. If I would have just cooked it without putting the red sauce on it, I could have made it whatever the flavor I wanted. Yeah, like the next day I could have go ahead and throw a little soy sauce on it.
You know what? You're right. Because I need to take some of that advice. That way it won't bother me so much if I make several different meals. What?
I make them several different meals. Then.
Well, not several different meals because I meal prep for 5 days. What I'm saying is just cook the meat. I'm sorry, I meal prep for 4 days. Seasoning? Not 5, y'all. No, I'm doing 5. I just carnivore for 5 days, which I don't like that because that's an uneven number. So I'm still trying to get away with carnivore on. What I'm saying is 6 and 7 days. What you? But I don't. You had stuff behind the pillows. No. Hey. Oh yeah, working on now. Okay. What I mean is, like whatever your protein is. You don't want this? Yeah, what about this? This right here, the shrimp. You gonna eat both of them? The soggy. Your mama they have pork rinds. You gonna eat both pork rinds? Y'all both can have some. No, you can't save it. You gotta eat this tonight. Because the pork rinds under here is really soggy. Okay. Here, both of y'all. Try both of them. Curtis said he about to eat both of them. Curtis, really? Son, you used to be like this, bro. What you over there? Now you like this. He used to be like this. Now you like this. Oh, that was it? All right. All right. Well. Oh, they go to bed early wrong, yo. Like, they go to bed really early. Honestly, most of the time we just start napping. Not really. Sure, I do. Well, man, we about to get out here. Till next time, y'all. We love y'all. Take care. Be blessed. Have a wonderful week. Thank y'all for coming and watching and rocking with us. And until next time, we're going to plant you down and dig you later. Because I know y'all can pick up what we are putting down. You heard me? Peace.